Welcome back to Among Us Part 2, but with pets this time. Ooh, let's follow the duck. Maybe it'll lead us to purple and yellow.
I'm so tired.
Oh, we're almost there. We're gonna be fine.
Hi, Rat. Where's Rat?
Oh, maybe it's following the duck. We'll come right now.
Hi, Rat. Finally. Where's
Alright.
BOBO?
Oh, it's sleeping.
I'll give you some treats.
Okay.
Looks like wake up. Nom 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 nom.
Hi guys, sorry I was late.
Oh.
It's alright.
Bobo was
Oh,
tired.
let's go to the space to meet green and blue.
Sure.
You have arrived at your destination.
Yay!
Oh, where are we going?
Let's go float everywhere to see the shooting stars.
Oh, I see over there.
Wow.
Okay.
Let's follow it.
Wow.
Okay, let's
Wow,
fly.
fireworks.
It's beautiful.
Maybe
Let's go to the cafeteria.
maybe blue and green is there.
Sure.
Going
Let's
to
go take a look.
cafeteria.
Yay! Hi, green and blue.
Hi. Oh, are we going to do some tasks right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go to electrical first.
Okay. We're doing the
Electrical wires.
electrical wires.
One more.
All done. Yay, hooray.
Oh, let's discuss. To be continued.